one. Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing our preparation for the World Cup, and my class has done some fantastic bar charts and pictograms. The first question they answered is who the previous winners of the World Cup are. So they've done some pictograms here. Brazil having won the most World Cups, and you can see that in the bar graph as well. So here it is again. The previous winners of the World Cup. I think. Can you spot the error in that one? Because there's a country that's missing in that one. But here again, it's the pictogram and then converted into a bar chart for the previous winners of the World Cup. So we'll see which country adds to that collection of trophies. Then they did a survey of who's going to win the World Cup, and in this survey, Germany came top. Must have been a similar sample group, because again, Germany was top of that one. But in this survey, Brazil came top. So those are the predictions of who's going to win the World Cup. We'll see in a month who wins. Another question was who's going to be top scorer: Ronaldo, Messi, Pogba, Mohamed Salah, or Neymar. So we'll keep a track of that. And then what I think is a very interesting chart is where the countries come from. So how much of a World Cup is this really? And we can see that most of the countries, 14 of them, come from Europe. Okay, so those are some examples of bar charts and pictograms that show the football stats. Now, some people might be out there playing a game with football cards, Panini here or Match Attacks, and there's maths in that too. For instance, if Pogba takes on Messi in the attack, who's going to win? Which number is higher, 100 or 99?
Messi's higher.
99.
Messi would win. But if they're in defense, and who's the better defender? Pogba would win there. So there you can see numbers in the games that we're playing as well. The last thing we need to do is a bit of probability. We need to make our class draw. So we've got all the countries on these leaflets, and if my guest presenter could help me and take out our prediction, we've got a 1 in 32 chance of getting the winner. Who have we got? Just read out the first country on that. And who have we got? Uruguay. So let's see if we've won for this class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe. Share. Bye.